Did I check the restraint? Blue fire they didn't either, right?
No.
Look where my feet are going, look.
Oh yeah.
On the drop. Look at that arena, look, what is that? It's like a Coliseum. Is that Hotel Batavia, whatever?
I don't know, all the hotels look amazing.
Yeah, look at that one over there. Literally just shove it on here, look. Turn it sideways. I'm supposed to keep it up there, yeah. Whoa!
I can't even see like the other stuff.
The raft ride was that close? What the heck? I feel like we walked like miles. No 360, just turns?
Oh, it doesn't do the 360.
Why no 360?
It takes too much time. Okay. Oh no! Oh, that was a bit wet.
Oh, I'm soaked. I'm soaked.
Yeah, a little bit wet.
A little bit wet. I'm soaked. You're soaked.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these kids, look.
Is he gonna dive?
There's just a diving show in the middle of the...
Yeah, that's cool. That was more wet than I thought.
Yeah. The journey to Atlanta screw up by not getting the speed hill.
Yeah. Yeah, the hill was good.
I'm so cold. It's like